Welcome back to Bragzilla and Kong.
And today we're gonna open these cool Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Nickelodeon action vinyls. These are loyal subjects. Let's go ahead and open these babies up.
Ooh, I got Shredder. And I got Shredder. Did Shredder have a staff?
Yo, I got Raphael, baby.
Hey, Dad, Shredder comes with a staff.
Bro, look how angry Raphael is. That's so cool. These guys don't stand very well, but that's okay. Ooh. I got Leonardo and so did Quinn. What? He has ninja stars. I got a second Raphael. Quinn got Donatello. I got Karia.
Bro. I got Casey. Ooh, he comes with some cool weapons. Bro, he comes with a golf club. Bro, look at his weapons. Casey's awesome. Look at his weapons. He got a golf club, a hockey stick, and a bat. You can fit him in this little bag that he comes with. And I got the girl.
What?
I got Kara.
What? I got a rare guy, Foot Ninja. Yo, I got Mikey. With his nunchucks and his pizza.
Bro, you're in all the cool figures. Hey, I got their leader.
Quinn got Splinter.
Hey, he comes with a barrel.
I got Casey.
Hey, bro, he comes with an old man walking. He comes with a walking stick.
Yes, I got Donatello. Tello.
Last one that I got. Nunchuck eating. Bro, did yours come with a full pizza?
Mikey? You got Mikey?
Beck, did yours come with a pizza like this?
Yeah. So we got a full set plus one special. I think we did really good on what we got. We got 2 of every guy except for Splinter and 1 special, the Foot Ninja. This guy is really cool. Thank you for watching Bragzilla and Kong. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you have not. Bye-bye.